Hey guys, in this video I will show you how you can uncap FPS in Black Ops 6 or Warzone. So let's get started. First of all, what you need to do here, you need to go on settings in game here, and then go to graphics, and on graphics on display, make sure that VSync in menus and in gameplay is off, because sometimes it can cap your FPS. So make sure VSync is off. Then go to custom frame rate limit and make sure it's unlimited or custom, and then just show more options and match your FPS with your monitors here, right? And then look if the problem persists. If the problem persists, what I suggest you to do here is to completely close the game. And then what you need to do here is to go to your in-game settings, not in-game but your PC settings, I'm sorry. On search, you just need to look for display settings. On display settings, make sure to scroll down until you see advanced display, then select the right monitor and make sure the maximum amount of hertz is selected here. And then if you're using NVIDIA, you just need to right click on it on your desktop, show more options, NVIDIA control panel. Then we need to wait. And here, first thing that you need to do here is to change resolution and make sure the maximum amount of hertz is selected here with your native resolution. Then go to a manage 3D settings, and on manage 3D settings, you need to scroll down a bit until you see max frame rate and select an off option, because in game we select our FPS, make sure it's off. And then on preferred refresh rate, make sure it's highest available and apply the changes, and it should fix your problem. So yeah, that's it.